Google Pixel 6 Pro. Best phone $899. The best flagship phone value. You get a lot with the Pixel 6 Pro. For $899, you get a large 120Hz display, triple rear cameras and a new Tensor chipset, which together make it the bargain rival of phones that cost hundreds more. The one weakness with this new Pixel is its battery life, and to a lesser extent its fingerprint sensor, which has proven temperamental at times. But if you want to make use of all of Google's ingenious software features like on-device translation or its magic eraser photo editor, then these are worthwhile sacrifices. If you don't need a 120Hz display or telephoto zoom, be sure to check out our Google Pixel 6 review. The smaller phone is more affordable with a starting price of $599, but it still has the same Tensor chip and upgraded main camera sensor. Pixel 6 Pro review, price and release date. Google has kept the Pixel 6 Pro's cost below those of fellow flagship handsets. Starting at $899 for the 128GB model, the Pixel 6 Pro packs in a lot of hardware value on top of Google's excellent software design and support. In fact, we think pricing is one of the key areas where the Google Pixels beat the iPhone and Galaxy in 2021. Pixel 6 Pro review, design. The biggest thing about the Pixel 6 Pro at first glance is the fresh, new design. Gone is the Spartan, function-over-form pixel language that we've had since 2016. The Pixel 6 Pro is a beautiful device with a curved display, a glass back with 3 nice color options, and the camera bar that spans the width of the phone. Pixel 6 Pro review, display. The Pixel 6 Pro's display holds well against others for color saturation and color accuracy, but it falls behind on brightness. It features a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, meaning it can go all the way down to 10Hz to save on battery, but ramp up to 120Hz for content where it makes sense. Pixel 6 Pro review, cameras. Now we've come to the thing that defines a Pixel, the cameras. Google pioneered what was possible with computational photography, and although other phone makers have since caught up, Pixels regularly feature on our list of the best camera phones. This year, the Pixel 6 Pro UPS the ante. Pixel 6 Pro review, video. Video has also seen a boost thanks to Tensor. You can record HDR live in 4K, offering vivid and punchy videos. 4K video is also available on the front-facing camera. Selfie recordings get sound improvements, too, with speech enhancement. Google says the Pixel 6 Pro will better filter out background noise to make your voice come through clearly. Pixel 6 Pro review, performance. We knew the Pixel 6 Pro's cameras would be good, but driving that excellence is Tensor, Google Silicon's first-generation chip. It's built for AI and machine learning, ML, and you can see that evident in the computational photography. But it also lends itself to on-device speech recognition and translation and other AI-powered features like Live Transcribe and Live Translate. Pixel 6 Pro review, battery life and charging. The Pixel 6 Pro packs the biggest battery we've ever seen in a Pixel, clocking in at a huge 5,000 mAh. That's the same size as the Galaxy S21 Ultra and 500 mAh bigger than the OnePlus 9 Pro. We don't know the exact size of the iPhone 13 Pro Max's battery in milliamp-hours, but you can't draw direct comparisons between Android and iPhone batteries anyway. Pixel 6 Pro review, software and special features. The Pixel 6 Pro debuts with Android 12, which arrived for other supported Pixels on October 19th. Although you get the same OS-level features on any Pixel from the Pixel 3/3 XL and above, the Pixel 6 Pro is where Android 12 shines, especially with the new Material You design language and theming system. Pixel 6 Pro review, problems and updates. As you've just read, I really like the Pixel 6 Pro. It's a great phone that does a lot of things right, but it's still a Google device. That means that there are quality control issues. Pixel fans tend to be some of the most vocal Android users, so the level of reports might be skewed due to how often those people participate in discussion forums like Reddit. Pixel 6 Pro, specs. Price, starting at $899. Android version, 12. Display, 6.71-inch OLED, 3120 by 1440. Refresh rate, 10 to 120 Hz. CPU, Tensor. RAM, 12 GB. Storage, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB. Rear cameras, 50MP f/1.85, main, 12MP f/2.2, ultrawide, 48MP f/3.5, telephoto with 4x optical zoom. Front camera, 11MP f/2.2. Video, up to 4K 60 frames per second, HDRnet. Battery, 5000 mAh. Battery life, HRS-min 749, adaptive, /755, 60 Hz. Charging, 23W wired, charger not included, 23W wireless, Pixel stand, 12W Qi. Size, 6.5 by 3.0 by 0.4 inches. Weight, 7.4 ounces. Colors, Stormy black, cloudy white, Sorta sunny.